tired, man. Bro, you're so tired. Alright everybody, welcome to my channel Beat the Man. This is Samir and today I have Ammar with me. Hello Ammar, how are you doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing good, thank you so much for asking. So basically Ammar ने अपने brother Khizar को challenge किया है circuit workout के लिए, okay? So what exactly you have challenged him for?
I have challenged my brother for a push-up challenge, which is going to be of 1 minute. Okay, and the second challenge is a sprint.
Perfect. So do you think your brother gonna beat you or you gonna beat your brother?
See, in that part, I can't say anything because my brother is stronger and faster compared to me. Let's see. I mean, I don't want to be overconfident, but let's see. Best wishes to my brother.
Alright, I wish you all the best accordingly. Let's hope you win the match and you beat the man.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Alright then. Now we have Khizar over here. So Khizar is Ammar's elder brother, okay? And Ammar has challenged him for a circuit workout. तो मैं बताता हूँ Khizar, what you have to do here is the first thing is your brother has challenged you for a sprint. Okay, so you have to perform a sprint. Do you think you're gonna beat your brother in sprint?
How could I say that, brother? You can see and just see the results.
Perfect, no problem. So please come here. So yes, of course, he's gonna try his best and he's gonna put his effort to beat his younger brother. Okay. The second set would be push-ups. So do you think in a minute how many push-ups you can do?
In a minute, at least 50.
50.
Yeah.
Perfect. So in a minute he's gonna do 50 push-ups. So let's see how does it goes and all the best to him.
Thank you, brother.
One, two, three. We got the winner. Charlie Banogi. Alright people, so we got the winner here. So our winner for this event is Ammar. So Ammar, you have beat your brother actually. So I just want to know, I mean, you know, what message you gonna give to your brother?
See, first of all, I'm glad that I won this. I won this challenge. Second thing, I want to tell my brother that he also did a really great job, and luckily I won this. But he could have also won it. I'm not underestimating my brother or something like that. Third thing, I would like to thank you. I would like to thank you for making me a part of this challenge, for making me a part of this video. It was really amazing. I totally loved it. I totally enjoyed all the challenges.
So basically, I thanks them for sending me a mail because he wanted to challenge his brother. So he sent me a mail to cover the event. So I really appreciate that you actually got me into the picture. Okay, thank you so much for that. Right. So Ammar, since you won, you got a gift hamper from Beat the Man. So congratulations for that.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this lovely present. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Alright, so Khizar, come here brother. So you tried really very hard. So you have put on a lot of your weight, but then you really work hard. So you couldn't win this time. So what exactly you want to say to your brother now?
He was lucky enough. It wasn't my day.
Oh man. So Ammar, you're lucky enough. It wasn't your day. Okay. All right then. So come here both. Come here both. So we have a winner here now, which was Ammar. So Ammar, you have a next event upcoming. That is your MMA match, right? So any words for that?
See, for that MMA match, my opponent is really good. He is really good. I've seen him. See, basically, I don't want to be overconfident and I don't want to underestimate my opponent. See, what will happen, we'll see in the cage. And I'm also confident. I know that I'll beat him. But on the other hand, I don't want to underestimate my opponent. So that's it.
You will win, brother. That's for sure. Man.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right. So Ammar, all the best to you again. I wish you all the best for your match.
Thank you so much.
All right. Wait. Ammar, come. आ रहे क्या हम लोग अभी?
खड़े रह
बोले चले जम्मा। क्या तेरे भी आना बराबर में? हमने ना थोड़ा।
One, two, three.